Cyberpunk 2077 is an upcoming role-playing video game developed and published by CD Projekt. It is scheduled to be released for Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, Stadia, and Xbox One on 17 September 2020. Adapted from the Cyberpunk franchise, it takes place in dystopian Night City, an open world with 6 distinct regions. Players assume the role of V, a customizable mercenary, in a first-person perspective, acquiring skills in hacking and machinery, an arsenal of ranged weapons, and options for melee combat. Both lethal and non-lethal playthroughs are possible. Cyberpunk 2077 is developed using the Red Engine 4 game engine, with around 500 people, exceeding the number that worked on the studio's previous game, The Witcher 3: Wild Hunt. They launched a new division in Rockball, Poland and partnered with Digitalscapes, Nvidia, and QLOC to assist with production. Cyberpunk creator Mike Pondsmith is a consultant, and actor Keanu Reeves has a starring role. The soundtrack features original music by Refused, Grimes, Run the Jewels, A. Piraki, Gazelle Twin, Island Rubin, Richard Devine, Nina Kravitz, Deadly Hunter, Rat Boy, and Tina Guo. Cyberpunk 2077 is played in a first-person perspective as V, a mercenary whose voice, face, hairstyles, body type and modifications, background, and clothing are customizable. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.